One of the common phrases we often hear when evidence is revealed of the abuse of power or violation that a prominent leader has committed is people will say, well, they are innocent until proven guilty. Now, certainly no person should be pronounced guilty outside of a fair judicial process, especially if we're talking about a criminal complaint. But in most of these cases, the issue at hand is not about criminal guilt, but about determining whether the moral, ethical, and professional standards of a person holding that position have been violated. The fact that many in our community respond to violations of trust with an aphorism drawn from the criminal justice system is revealing of the extent to which we simply lack knowledge of our own history of Islamic norms of governance and administration. This tradition can be found in the Siyasa Sharia genre of literature. Siyasa Sharia means governance or administration within the sacred law. And this supplements what we have in our legal books and our fiqh books by providing the rules and regulations for how power should be used, how people in positions of power should be supervised, and the limitations placed upon those who are given more power and authority than others. The Islamic administrative and justice system has always included a complaint and accountability system to address injustices committed by those holding public positions. This is usually called madhalim, and that's based on the root word dhulm, which means oppression. So the madhalim system was established to respond to complaints of oppression or harm committed by those in positions of public authority. In traditional Islamic societies, these systems of justice, administration, and accountability include the regulation and supervision of those appointed to positions of influence, with methods that cannot be applied to ordinary people, meaning that these people can be restricted in what are otherwise permissible actions. But those restrictions are placed on them in their relationships with others so that they will not take advantage of vulnerable people, harming those persons as well as themselves.